Alright guys, so here's the unboxing and first impressions of my latest Escapement Time watch. If you've watched my channel for a while, you'll know that I've reviewed quite a few Escapement Time watches now. I really like them, and this is the latest one. So, it comes in the usual Escapement Time box, nothing too fancy, but it gets the job done. And there is something a little bit interesting about this one actually, because I have actually reviewed the older version of this. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link to that up here, you can check that out. But as for this one, we've actually got a couple of changes since that one. So there's two main ones. Firstly, this is now 40mm, whereas the older one was 38. And also, the second one, which I do think is a really good change. Personally, I prefer the 38 size, but I'll give this one a chance. I haven't actually tried it on yet, so we'll see. I might like the 40. But the big change, other than that, if I zoom in, as you can see, this is a quartz piece, but we have actually got a, well, not quite sweeping second hand, but it's not ticking as your standard quartz pieces normally do. That's because this is using a VH movement. So if you're not aware of VH movements, they're basically the same as the VK ones. They tick more times per second than your standard quartz. So you get that nice almost sweep. So this watch is actually an homage, and when I reviewed the other one, I wasn't entirely sure what it was an homage of. There seemed to be a bit of debate whether it was a Grand Seiko or a Seiko King. So let me know what you think down in the comments, what you think it's homaging. It's mainly down to that case shape. That's probably the giveaway, because it is pretty distinctive, but it is really nice. Fully polished, so it is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet, as you can see already, but overall I'm really liking it. Got that sign crown. So they do actually do two versions of this. They do one with a blued second hand, and this one which doesn't obviously have it, with the silver second hand. So you've got a choice. Full disclosure though, I was actually sent this watch for free. I don't have to give it back, so make of that what you will, but as always, that's not going to change the way I do reviews. If I find stuff that I'm not happy with and I don't like, I will say, even if that means brands don't send me free watches again. So just get that out of the way. So quickly flick it over. Got a simple case back, radial brushing, Escapement Time in the centre, and no specs, which is quite nice to see actually. Makes a nice change. Genuine leather strap. Time King, not into them. Interesting. Unsigned buckle. I'm not really a fan of faux rock, so I'll probably change this out for when I get to the full review. But first impressions, it's looking pretty good. Everything appears to be lined up nicely. No obvious issues. So as first impressions go, I'm pretty impressed. But that's it for this one guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.